Welcome to the enchanting city of Florence, Italy. Nestled in the heart of Tuscany, this historic gem is a treasure trove of art, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. In this video, we will be your guide, unlocking the secrets of Florence and helping you make the most of your visit. From the iconic Duomo to the world-renowned Uffizi Gallery, Florence is a city that will leave you in awe at every turn. So let's embark on this adventure together and uncover the magic of Florence. The artistic heritage of Florence. Our journey begins with Florence's unparalleled artistic legacy. Home to some of the world's most famous artists like Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Botticelli, this city is an open-air museum. Explore the renowned Uffizi Gallery, where masterpieces come to life. The Birth of Venus, the Annunciation, and countless other works of art will transport you to a world of creativity and imagination. But the art isn't limited to the galleries. The city's streets themselves are a canvas. You'll find stunning sculptures, frescoes, and architectural marvels around every corner. Exploring Florence's historic landmarks. No visit to Florence is complete without admiring the breathtaking Florence Cathedral, or, as it's commonly known, the Duomo. Its stunning architecture and intricate design will leave you spellbound. Stroll along the historic Ponte Vecchio, a bridge lined with jewelry shops that has an enchanting story of its own. Visit the Florence Baptistery, renowned for its bronze doors and the awe-inspiring gates of paradise. Savoring the culinary delights. While Florence's art and history are captivating, its cuisine is equally delightful. Indulge in the finest Italian dishes at traditional trattorias and savor mouth-watering flavors. Explore the bustling local markets where you can savor fresh produce, artisanal cheeses, and the world-famous Florentine steak. Hidden gems and local secrets. Florence is not just about the famous landmarks. It's also about discovering hidden gems, such as charming neighborhoods, tranquil gardens, and local artisans. Don't miss out on the serene Boboli Gardens, where you can escape the hustle and bustle of the city. Practical tips for your visit. Before you embark on your Florence adventure, here are some practical tips. Be sure to book tickets to popular attractions in advance to skip the lines. Use Florence's efficient public transportation to get around the city. And don't forget to taste the world-famous gelato, a sweet treat you'll never forget. As our journey through Florence, Italy comes to an end, we hope you've been inspired to plan your own adventure in this captivating city. Remember, Florence is a city where history, art, and culinary delights converge, offering an unforgettable experience for every traveler. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, ciao from Florence.